Now, let's create a new workflow, the reinvestment workflow. Before we start, let's go to expense. Here you can set the expense type. We set 4 categories: tuition cost, allowance and benefit, sales cost, and production cost. In the subtype. Let's go to the workflow. The form of the expense reimbursement already created this form. Let me show you. This form is quite similar with the leave application form, like the basic information, comments. The difference between these two forms is this part, reimbursement details. Let me show you how to realize that. We use the detailed layout and find the edit layout. Here, you can add or delete the columns. And for each column, you can choose the types. Types here are similar with the controls on the left side. For the invoice date, we use a text box, and the format, we select the date. For the expense type, we use a drop-down box, and here we select the system data, cost management, level 1 reimbursement account. And for the subtype, same as before, but here we select the secondary reimbursement account. And for the parent control, we select the expense type. And for the amount, use the text box and format is number. And here you can select total, and the total amount will show us automatically. For the remark text box project, we use the system data, find the project, my project. The default option we select empty because we need select the project by ourselves. For cost barrier, we use the drop-down box. Here we select the system data, cost barrier. That's all for this form. And now let's create the workflow. The workflow, this is the information. And from 1 to 6, I have already introduced in the leave application workflow. And for the 7 to 9, I will show you. Start the workflow. For information, we set the serial number, same as the leave application form. Select date and 6-digit serial. Remember, clicking on. And for the workflow title, we insert like the author and save settings. Top setting, filter. It's quite similar to leave application. organize. So let's see the condition. If the expense more than or equal to 3,000, it's over to director. Verification. 1,000 do not flow to director. About 6,000 flow to director. But and flow to 1,000, not flow to. Let's go to the base code. And for the data information, we set here, set, set, action. Let's see for operation. The department head node can end the workflow and this workflow. And for the finance manager can forward CC work CC. Save the operator also with the operator node here, same as before. Finance manager. Because we have only one finance manager, so we do not to select the default host or default. If we have more than one finance manager, you can set it's two. And because we have only one accountant, so we do not set the default host or default field, partner, the manager. And let's see. So we synchronize the reimbursement with the expense module. So with those two option data, save the option data. Yeah. Okay. Use it and match the field with a model field. We can first stage is expense type, start type. Now we have already set the outset data. Let's go to the setting. Enable the monitoring and with the name and give options. And part is this part. For more, see, we need to set up choose the folder. Information finance. By the end of this workflow, setting is set up template. Start. Please do not include the comments. Set the costume print template, and we can find that there is a main form and a start form. So let me show you how to set the start form. Here, start form, and we can find the form is similar with the main form. Same, right? So we can and sample. Here we can set this sample, select sample, and location because it's stuff. So customer success. For the reimbursement workflow and the reimbursement training. Detail layout. And let's try to submit a new request. And here you can delete or add a new rule. By state, then select the loss and benefit, some yearly benefit. No, completed successfully. You can find 5,001. That's all for this part.